In this video, we will show you how to caption pre-existing media using Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere is a powerful video editing software that is available free to faculty through Adobe Creative Cloud as a desktop application. Install Premiere by signing into adobe.com using your UCF email, NID, and password. Unlike other captioning options, Premiere has no time limitations, so videos can be of any length. To create a caption file, open Adobe Premiere and select the blue button labeled New Project in the top left corner. A new screen will appear. Name your project, then choose a location to save this Premiere project file. If you are not ready to import media into your Premiere project, click the blue Create button on the bottom right and you can import media later. If you are ready to import media, locate your files in the Media Assets menu on the left side and choose the files you want to import. A Premiere project can contain multiple video and audio files. Once selected, there will be a blue highlight around the files and a check mark. To adjust any transcription settings like language or multiple speakers, select the drop-down menu labeled Automatic Transcription and make your changes. If you are importing more than one media file to your project, select Auto Transcribe All Imported Clips. Press Create to create your new project and open the workflow. If you added media when creating the project, Premiere has already created a transcript. If you did not previously import your media when creating the project, you can import now by either clicking Import from the Project menu, selecting Import from the File menu, or you can drag and drop your media file directly into the timeline or the project's media panel. Select the media file to add to the timeline from the project panel on the left. Drag the media to the timeline. To view the transcript for this media, click on the Text panel, then Transcript. If the text panel is not displayed, navigate to the top menu bar, select Window, then Text. Please note that despite Premiere's accuracy with transcribing text, you will still need to double-check by watching your entire video from beginning to end to ensure the content is correct. Moving the playhead in the timeline will highlight the word at that specific time on the transcript. If you need to edit the text, click the pencil icon on the transcript menu, then make your changes. The changes will automatically update once you click out of the editing box. When the transcript is correct and you are ready to export your caption file, go to the Text panel and click on Captions. Then click the blue Create Captions from Transcript button. A Preferences window will appear. These default settings should be sufficient to meet accessibility requirements, so click the blue Create Captions button. Captions with timestamps will be created. To save the caption file to your computer, click on the three dots in the top right corner, select Export, then Export to SRT file. Make sure to appropriately name your caption files so you can identify them later. If you have more media to transcribe, close a previous sequence, drag and drop your next media clip to the timeline, and repeat the process. These caption files can be uploaded along with your video to web courses at UCF or other video platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. While Premiere Pro may look intimidating as a professional video editing program, it can be easily used to caption your pre-existing media. Using Premiere Pro's caption editor is one of the many options available to produce captions for your videos that meet UCF's accessibility policy standards. If you need more information on using Adobe Premiere Pro or assistance with captioning videos, you can visit the Faculty Multimedia Center on campus or online at cdl.ucf.edu/FMC.